Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about how to draw resonating structures of a molecule. This is the point of discussions right now, how to draw resonance structures of a molecule. So we start our discussions, and before starting this discussion I would like to remind you that if you are not subscribed this channel up to now, or you are new to this channel, then subscribe this channel now and hit the notification button in order to get the new video upload notification. So let's start our discussion about how to draw resonance structures of a molecule. It is very important in chemistry to know that how to draw resonance structure of a molecule, because we need to draw resonance structures of a molecule to answer the questions, different questions in chemistry, in organic chemistry, in inorganic chemistry. For different questions, when we go for answer of different questions, that time the resonance structure drawing is part of the answer. So as resonance structure drawing is one of the part of the answer, so you must need to know that how to draw resonance structures of a molecule. So this topic is for I would clear the all problems that is in you regarding the resonance structure drawing. So this topic is very important topic for you, because I know that most of the students are facing some difficulties to draw the resonance structures of a molecule, but you don't need to face any difficulties to draw the resonance structures of a molecule. If you follow some certain rules, then you can easily draw the resonance structures of any molecules. Any molecules means the molecules that have some resonance structures. It is not possible that the molecule has no possibility of resonance structure but you draw the resonance structure. That is not possible. So details discussion, I would like to discuss this topic, resonance structure drawing topic in details. So watch this video up to the end. Okay, so let's start our discussion. So what is resonance structure? Resonance structures are the more than one possible structures for a given molecule. For some molecules like methane, for this molecule we cannot draw any resonating structures, because the molecule is has a single Lewis structure, and no possibility of resonance structures for these molecules. But for some molecules like we consider benzene. For benzene molecule, there we can draw another structure for benzene. We can draw another structure for benzene because the these bonds double bonds are present in as a conjugated double bond, means one single bond, then one double bond, one single bond, then one double bond. So in this case what happens, double bond is a delocalized bond. These are called delocalized bonds. So these bonds are delocalized bond and can form this double bond can form here, and double bond can form here, and double bond can form here. So for the molecules like benzene, the only a single Lewis structure cannot explain all the structural properties of a molecule. You cannot say this is the only structure of benzene. Benzene also have these structures, so we cannot say that benzene has only this structure. So benzene can also have this structure. So for some molecules, not for every molecule, for some molecules there are the possibility of more than one resonating structures or more than one structures one structure cannot explain, for some molecule one structure cannot explain all the physical and chemical properties of the molecule. So for this reason it is seen that for a molecule, for this type of molecule like benzene, the number of possible structures are present as like benzene. Okay, so for this type of molecule where more than one structures are possible, we can draw resonating structures for these molecules. So these two structures of benzene is called resonating structures. These two structures are called resonating structures, or you can say it canonical structure, you can say it contributing structures. So these two structures are examples of resonating structures. So now the question is how to draw these resonating structures. And to draw the resonating structures you have to use this arrow. It is called curved arrow, and it is the tail of the arrow, it is the head of the arrow. Look at here, I am showing it that this electron pair means this bond means the electron pair. This electron pair is shifted to this position, and after that this bond is broken and shifted to this position, and this electron pair containing bond is broken and this electron pair is shifted here, and a bond is formed in between these two carbon single bonds. So here you must need to know some rules, like number one rule is the valency, or no, number one rule I would like to say the position. In resonance, first you have to keep in mind that the molecule should undergo resonance or not. You have to determine it. Suppose you are given this molecule undergo resonance or participate in resonance, or resonance structure is possible for this molecule. See, this bond is delocalized bond, but in the next carbon no possibility of resonance, because this bond cannot delocalize here. Okay, so resonance structure for this molecule is not possible. Okay, next important point is suppose this molecule, for this molecule, see here one double bond is here, and here the plus charge carbon means is a planar carbon. So for this reason this compound can show resonating structures. So resonating structures are possible for this molecule. So to draw resonance structure you have to follow the points that the molecule should have resonance structure or not. That you have to determine first. If the molecule does not have any possibility of resonance structures, then you cannot draw resonance structures. And when you draw resonance structure you have to know the position of each atom. See here, only the bonds are shifted here, only bonds are shifted here, no atoms can be displaced in resonance structure drawing. See here, I am drawing the resonance structure of benzene, no atoms are displaced here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here all the carbons are in the same position as before making resonance structure. Before making and after making resonance structure, the position of the atom, position of the each atom must be in the same position. Only the bonds, only the delocalized bond can be shifted one position to another position, but the atoms, position of the atom does not change during the resonance structures drawing. So we cannot shift the position of atom, we can shift the position of bond in case of resonance. This is very important point. You have to know that in resonance structure drawing only atoms can be shifted from one position to another position. Only bonds can be shifted from one position to another position, but the atoms cannot be shifted from one position to another position. See here in this structure, the atoms are in the same position as like before making the resonance structures, and atoms are in the same position but the bonds are in the different position. So in resonance structures drawing, atoms cannot be displaced, bonds can be displaced. Next important point is that during the resonance structures drawing, you have to know that the molecule is planar or not. Planar molecule must need to be a planar molecule in order to participate in resonance. The molecule must be a planar molecule, means all the carbon atoms in the molecule must be in sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized means that is a planar molecule. So sp2 hybridized is important criteria for sp2 or sp hybridized for the resonance structures. These two conditions are very important, means hybridization. The planar means molecule must be means each carbon in molecule must be either sp2 or sp3 hybridization. Sp3 no, it is either sp or sp2 hybridization. That time suppose here in this carbon is sp2 hybridized, so this one is planar. So you have to check that hybridization of each carbon. If you see the hybridization of carbon is sp2, then the molecule is a planar molecule. Okay, and planarity is very important for resonance. Molecule can undergo resonance only only when the molecule is a planar molecule. So to find out the molecule is planar or not, you can see the hybridization of each carbon. If you find the hybridization of each carbons are sp3 or sp2 or sp, that time you can find the molecule is a planar molecule. So this one is the second conditions after atom displacement, bond displacement. Atoms cannot be displaced, bond can be displaced in the structures, but the second condition is planar. Molecule must need to be a planar molecule in order to participate in resonance structures, or in order to form resonance structure, molecule must be a planar molecule. Next important thing is the valency. You have to keep in mind that valency is constant, and valency of each atom should be constant in the resonance structures drawing. So see here, I am drawing the resonance structures of benzene, and if we check the valency of each carbon atom, then you can find that the valency of each carbon atoms before and after making resonance structures are same. See here, the valency is 1, 2, 3 and 1 hydrogen. So valency is 4 here in this carbon, and in this 1 number carbon, the valency 1, 2, 3 and 4, valency 4 in both the carbons. And you can see the valency of this carbon, it is 4, and valency of this carbon is 4. Okay, and if you see the valency of the carbon, 1 hydrogen is present here, 1, 2, 3, 4, means valency of this carbon is 4. And if you see the valency of this carbon, means 3 number carbon, valency is again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So valency of the each atom in a molecule that is participating in resonance structures, or forming resonance structure, participating in forming resonance structures. So for each atom, the valency of the atom cannot be altered, it should be a constant in the resonance structures. So we are seeing that in case of benzene, the valency of each carbon atom remains same. This carbon also 4 valency and valency 4, and each cases the valency of the carbon is, the valency of the carbons are 4. So for this reason, the valency is very important point. You have to maintain the valency in order to form the resonance structures. You have to maintain the valency. So these are the main rules for drawing the resonance structures of molecules. and we now see the applications of these rules during the drawing of the resonance structures. At first you have to find the resonance structure is possible for molecule or not. Suppose this is our molecule, so you have to determine first that these molecule have resonance structures or not. See here, this is the delocalized bond, okay, and next one is single bond. This is the single bond, like benzene, double bond, then single bond, then again double bond. So in this case the resonance structure is possible for the molecule, and we have some resonating structures for these molecules. So what happens, the electron pair is shifted here, and this electron pair shifted to the carbon atom, means as a negative charge, and we have to make a double headed arrow to represent this. To represent this is the resonance structures of the molecule, where the CH2 is becoming a plus charge because the electron pair means a bond pi bond, it is broken from here, and this electron pair is forming a bond in between these two carbons. So a double bond is forming in between these two carbon, and here it is a plus charge, and as you have to maintain the valency of this carbon 4. So for this reason the double bond present in between these two carbon is becoming a negative charge on this carbon. Or you can write it as like this, 2 electrons with a negative charge, okay. So this is the resonating structures of this molecule, and you can again make the same structures, the structures that was previously, okay. You can make the previous structures, return to these structures by making this displacement of electron. So this is the resonance structures of these molecules. And suppose if this double bond is present in between these two carbon, and it is a CH2 group, and this double bond carbon and double bond carbon is separated by a CH2 group. This double bonded carbon and carbon carbon double bond, and this carbon carbon double bond is separated by a CH2 group. That time no resonance is possible, no resonance. No resonance is possible in this case when the a double bonded carbon, means carbon carbon double bond, is separated by a CH2 and CH2 group. That time resonance structures are not possible, okay. Next important resonance structure is for ozone molecule. Suppose you like to draw the resonance structures of ozone molecule. So for this time what you have to do, this is the ozone O3, and for each oxygen atom you have to make the valency of 2. This oxygen atom losing 1 electron pair, and this oxygen atom has 3 electron pairs, 3 lone pairs. So this is the first Lewis dot structure of the ozone molecule. This is the Lewis Lewis dot structure of ozone molecule. And next we are seeing that here a alternative double bond and single bond is present. So for this reason this molecule can give resonating structures. So we have to draw the resonance structures for these molecules. For the resonance structures, this negative charge can form a bond between these two ozone atoms, and these bonds is open up, and our resonance structures should be like this one. This one is the resonance structures of ozone molecule. Okay. At first you have to draw the Lewis dot structure of ozone molecule, and then you have to shift these bonds. Means this bond is shifted to as O minus, and this O minus is forming a bond between the two oxygen atoms, and the resonating structures for ozone molecule are these two. And if you want to draw the resonance hybrid, that time this is called the resonance hybrid of ozone molecule. Okay, breaking and forming bonds are represented by a dotted line. Okay, this is called resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid for a molecule, you can show the resonance hybrid also. So this is the way of drawing the resonance structures of ozone molecule. Okay, you understand it. Next we draw the resonance structures of some molecules. Then we have to draw the resonance structures of this molecule. This is called acetic acid, and for acetic acid molecules we can draw the resonance structures, because you can see that in acetic acid molecules the oxygen have lone pairs, and this lone pair can form bonds in carbon, and this bond can delocalize. So for this reason we can get resonance structures here. This one here, oxygen have initially two lone pairs, and after breaking this double bond it has another pair of electron, and now it is negatively charged, and here it is forming a double bond between carbon and oxygen, and plus oxygen by losing electron pair becoming oxygen pair, oxygen as plus, and a pair of electron is remaining after losing one pair. So this one is the resonating structures of carboxylic acid, means acetic acid molecule here. This is the resonance structure of acetic acid molecule, and you can return back you can return back to the acetic acid molecules by like this. Okay, this negative charge again forming a double bond in between these two atoms, carbon and oxygen atom, and this double bond is again breaking and releasing the electron pair to oxygen. Means the next structure should be like this one. This one is the next structures, means the initial structures we are returning back. Okay, this is the way of drawing the resonance structures for acetic acid molecule. Okay, next structures we would draw the resonance structures of another molecule. This is the carbonate ion, CO3 2 minus ion, called carbonate ion. Carbonate ion, this is the Lewis dot structure of carbonate ion, and in Lewis dot structures we can make some Lewis dot structure, possible Lewis dot structures for these molecules. How? At first, form a bond between carbon and oxygen by this negative charge, and in the same time the oxygen is becoming negative charge, and the next this one is formed. This one is formed. This one is remaining same as it was before, but when this carbon oxygen is making a double bond, this double bond is opened up and giving a single carbon oxygen bond with a negative charge. Okay, the next time what will happen? Next time you can say another possible structures. This one is forming a double bond. At this time this one is opened up, so the next structures like CO, this one is the next structures that you can draw from this molecule. Okay, this one is forming a double bond, carbon and oxygen forming a double bond in between two, and this time the carbon and oxygen bond is broken and is becoming a negative charge, and this one is already negative before means drawing the resonating structures. This one is unchanged. So these three are the resonating structures for carbonate ion. For carbonate ion, these three are the resonating structures of carbonate ion. Okay. Now you can draw the resonance structures of this molecule also. For this molecule you can also draw resonance structures. Furan, this is called furan molecule. For this molecule you also can draw resonance structures, because this lone pair of electron forming a double bond here, this one is becoming negative charge, again this one is forming negative charge. For this molecule furan you can also draw the resonance structures. So I do not want to make this video a lengthy video. This is the discussions that how to draw resonance structures of a molecule. For drawing the resonance structures of a molecule you have to understand the point that molecule molecule has planarity, means molecule is planar or not. Molecule contain a conjugated double bond. Molecule means one single bond then one double bond. This is called conjugated double bond. So conjugated double bond or lone pair and a double bond, that time molecule can form a resonance structures, otherwise molecule cannot form resonance structure. So I already gave you some examples, show you some examples that how to draw resonance structures, and I think you understand that how to draw resonance structures of molecules. So these are the ways of drawing resonance structures of some molecules. For each and every for all the molecules resonance structures are not possible. Resonance structures are possible only for some molecules. Okay, so this is your homework. You should try to draw the resonance structures of this molecule furan. Okay, this is your homework. You try to draw the resonance structures of this molecule right now. So that's it. That is about the resonance structures drawing. If you face any problem of drawing resonance structures further, then you can write in the comment sections that what is your problem. Okay, I am happy to answer your problem. So this is the discussions, and if you find this video is useful, then like this video, and if you find this channel is useful to you, then subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this full video.